In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to enable two-factor authentication in MFB Donate. Once logged into your MFB Donate account, navigate to Manage Settings in the menu and click on Administration. Now click Configuration. Next, go to the Two-Factor Authentication tab and enable the toggle. Your account has been set up with two-factor authentication. Once it's activated, log out of your account and log back in to confirm the setup. Check your login email to receive the OTP. Then, enter it for verification. You have successfully enabled two-factor authentication.